Pushing both levers forward makes the excavator move forward. Pushing both levers backward makes it move backward. Pushing the left lever alone turns it right. Pushing the right lever alone turns it left. When the right-hand lever is moved to the left, it rotates left. When moved to the right, it rotates right. Pushing forward extends the arm. Pulling back retracts it. Pushing the left-hand lever downward lowers the boom. Pulling it backward raises the boom. Pushing left closes the bucket to dig. Pushing right opens it to dump.